So I've got this situation where I'm going out of the country, I'm going to be completely offline, and I need my colleague to handle my shop orders that come through. Now, maybe everybody else knows that I'll be unavailable, but the orders need to flow, and then I need my colleague to make sure and take care of them. It's just normally a 1 or 2 man shop, and that's how that goes. So what I need to do here, I'm using Google Apps or Gmail for this. I'm going to forward my emails based on a filter. So rather than just forward everything over, we're going to set up a specific filter to only forward my online shop emails to my colleague or family member, whoever's handling it. So we need to go to the gear here over to the right, and once we're in Gmail, this is the settings here. Choose that. Once you're in the settings, you need to go to forwarding and pop IMAP. Okay, so we don't have any forwarding address in here. Before we can even set up a filter, we actually have to add a forwarding address. So we have the person that's going to be handling it. It's going to be random10 at, forgot it already. I already forgot my sample. That's right. This is just a sample email, but we're pretending it's my colleagues. Hit next. And so this is the person going to get it. It's going to be confirmed. We hit proceed. Now what's happened is a confirmation code is sent to that person. And they have to either click the link in their confirmation email, or if they're sitting next to you or something, or on the phone, they can confirm the code over the phone. So we'll just do that here. So we'll pretend that they let us know that the confirmation code is this number. We type it in, hit verify. That's all set up now. Alright, notice that it says disable forwarding, and that's okay, because we don't want a global forward. We just want to do it based on a filter, and even though this is disabled, the filter will still work. So now we create a filter. Alright, and here's where it gets a little tricky, because everybody's situation is going to be different. Now, we're fortunate in that, let's say for this example, every email that comes in from our online store always has the same subject line. So maybe we sell widgets and it's like widget order confirmation or widget order. So we can kind of figure that out, you know. So not necessarily what I type in is going to work, but it might help to kind of peruse those emails just to make sure. And so copy the text straight out of the email and the subject if you can. In this case, just for example, we'll do widget order for processing. So we're pretending this is exactly the text that comes in every time an order comes into my little online store. And then once we like that setup, click create filter with this search. Alright, so here's where we send it on to the right person and then other business. Maybe we want to label it or star it, whatever. And this is a Gmail thing. It may or may not be useful to you, but you could consider doing that. The most important one is to click the checkbox for forward it to, choose the address. We have one in there because we set it up ahead of time. And then just verify we're all good here. Yeah, everything's fine. Hit create filter. Okay, it says your filter was created. Notice disable is still checked, which is okay because that filter is going to happen regardless. Make sure and scroll down. Okay, we don't have to hit save changes here, but just in case something happens there, you know, something else you do, it's always good to just verify you need to hit save changes, do that. Alright, that's all you need to do to set up the filter, so it will work, and as long as your syntax is correct and the subject is going to go through. Thanks a lot for listening. Bye.